Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this video, I'm going to be covering 5 must-have movie applications for 2024 for the Amazon Firestick, Fire TV, or Android TV devices. Now guys, there are dozens of free movie applications available, so I want to make this video to help you narrow down the best options. So guys, before diving in too much further, a couple important notes to call out. Number one, all the applications that I'm going to show in this video can be installed from any reputable app store. This includes the Amazon App Store, Google Play Store, and Apple App Store. So I know that these applications are 100% legal and verified to use on our devices. This includes Tubi, Plex, Crackle, YouTube, Peacock TV, Plex, Pluto TV, and so much more that I'm going to show you in this video. Also, guys, one other important item I want to call out is that not every application is going to be available in every country throughout the world. So Tubi, for example, you'll see them on their official website here. Tubi is not available in the EU or United Kingdom. It is only available in certain regions around the world. Puerto Rico, Mexico, Australia, United States, and Canada, it looks like here. So how do we get around that? Well, I'm going to show you how to connect to a VPN in a supported region and then show you my favorite application. So guys, let's move back over to my Amazon Fire Stick and dive into my favorite free movie applications. All right, so I just plugged in my second generation Fire TV Stick 4K Max, but guys, these free movie applications are available for any Fire TV device and Android TV device through the Google Play Store. So guys, before I dive in, again, I do want to reiterate that if you are not located in a supported region for these streaming applications, you must connect to a supported region such as the United States. Now you'll see I am on Surfshark VPN, and that is my #1 recommended VPN. And guys, I do have a special discount link you can find below this video that will get you the best discount on Surfshark VPN while also supporting this channel and myself. So I would truly appreciate that. So now that I'm connected to Surfshark VPN, I'm going to dive right in. And guys, the first free movie app I want to show you is actually YouTube. And it's funny I say that because many are not aware that YouTube actually has hundreds of free movies and TV shows that you can stream on any device. So if I sign into YouTube, and that's the first thing I want to call out here, is that you should be signed into YouTube. You'll get more content that way. So if you sign into your YouTube account, scroll down and hover over movies and TV, you'll see I'm scrolling through here and finding all sorts of options. Now, there are options to rent, but if I scroll down, you'll see an option that says free with ads. And if I click free with ads, you'll see all sorts of free movies with advertisements here. So they have TV series. You'll see there's a lot of notable names as I'm scrolling through here, but YouTube has a ton of free movies in various categories. You'll see some big names here in the comedy section, animation, drama, documentary, science fiction, romance, etc., etc. So YouTube is the first free movie app that I would suggest you guys look into. And again, just a quick tip, I would suggest signing into your YouTube account as you'll find more content that way. So the second free movie app I want to show you is Crackle. Now, I've talked about Crackle in some previous videos on my channel, but this is one of my favorite free movie applications as it is designed for VOD or video on demand content. You'll see them on the left here. It has movies, TV shows. It has Crackle original programming. So you'll see here as I'm scrolling through, these are some of the latest titles Crackle has added, but you'll see all the categories on the left-hand menu. We have action, adventure, comedy, classics, crime, documentary, and there's just so much that Crackle has to offer, and the playback is flawless as well. And that's what I should mention, guys, is by using these streaming applications inside the Amazon App Store, you will have better playback. So as I'm scrolling through here, some notable titles offered by Crackle, I'm going to click TV shows and scroll through the TV show library here just so you guys can see what I'm seeing on Crackle. And again, a lot of categories for TV shows, action, animation, adventure, just various options offered by Crackle. So that's my second free movie app that I want to show you is Crackle. The third free movie app that I think is worth mentioning is Freey. Now, this is the rebranded version of IMDb. It is owned and operated by Amazon, and it comes pre-installed on Fire TV devices. You'll see I just launched it here. I'm going to click close, and you might have saw it said live TV. So Freey actually added live channels. That's a recent upgrade. You'll see if I click live, there are various live channels now inside Freey in addition to these free movies and TV shows. So on the left here, if I click free movies, you'll see all the different options for free movies. There's a popular section, so you might recognize some notable titles here inside Freey. And the best part is, I should have mentioned this with the other, with Crackle and some of these other apps, is you don't even need to be signed into an account in order to start streaming this content. Now, there are ads inside the playback, as that's how these applications monetize this content and this service. But guys, dozens and dozens of free movies and also TV shows. If I scroll over to the left here, you'll see there's a TV option. So I'm going to click TV. You can add these shows or movies to your favorites if you want to quickly filter things. But you'll see a lot of the categories. So we have drama, comedy, crime, sports, anime, classic TV, action, adventure, and so much more. So that's the third movie application that is a must-have in 2024 is Freey. The next application I want to show you is Plex. Now, Plex is best known for its media server functionalities for storing, family videos, photos, and all sorts of media. So if I click Plex, it's going to prompt me to sign up. I'm going to click skip sign up, and that's one of the best features of Plex. You don't even need to sign up for an account to start streaming content. So on the left-hand side, you'll see all the content that Plex has to offer. If I scroll over, you'll see it has movies and shows. So I'm going to hover over movies and shows, and you'll see hundreds of free movies and TV shows that is offered by Plex. As I'm scrolling through here, some notable titles on what's called the Plex Picks category, and I like that Plex Picks. I like when these streaming apps come up with their own categories. We have binge-worthy shows. We have most watched on Plex. You can filter by most watch and what other people are watching on Plex. It has most popular, so a lot of notable titles as I'm scrolling through most popular here. And then if I scroll down, it has all sorts of other categories. It has leaving soon, so these are some of the titles that you might want to watch before they're off Plex. We have, crime, we have action, we have anime, we have thriller, so we have horror movies. Again, crime time. We have even some Spanish content here. And if I scroll over to live, you'll see Plex also has live. They added this a couple years ago, where Plex now has, I believe, around 100 free live channels in addition to all of these movies and TV shows that you can stream for free. You can add stuff to your favorites. And if I click categories up here, you'll see all the categories laid out in a nice interface here if you want to just quickly navigate to whatever you are interested in. So that's the movie app Plex, guys. The last movie app I want to show you for the purposes of this video is Tubi. Now, Tubi was kind of the pioneer in the ad-supported free movie department, in my opinion. But if I launch Tubi, again, it's not even going to prompt me to sign into an account. As you'll see, I'm launching this. I just plugged in my Firestick and installed these apps, guys, so it's prompting me to log in for the first time. I'm going to click skip. And as I scroll around Tubi, what I like about Tubi is if I click continue as guest, they are always adding new content. They just added live channels a few years ago, I believe, but Tubi is one of the best options for free movies. So if I scroll up top, you'll see there's an option for movies, TV shows, live TV. I'm going to click movies and just scroll around here to show you what what Tubi has to offer. So this one in particular right here was a big title, I remember. And if I scroll through some of these titles, I'm extremely impressed, guys, that Tubi is adding to their content library. It has recommended as a category. It has leaving soon. So these titles are going to be leaving Tubi soon. Highly rated. We have family movies. You can add to favorites if you sign in. We have recently added new releases, sci-fi fantasy, only on Tubi. So Tubi has movies that are only exclusive to the Tubi platform. Trending, movie night, cult classics, faith, foreign films, sports, and so much more inside Tubi. And again, if I scroll all the way to the top menu here, I'm going to hover over TV shows. And similar categories for the TV shows on Tubi as well. Again, that's a very popular title. So you'll see a lot of notable titles here offered by Tubi that you may not find on some of these other free movie applications. So as I'm scrolling down here, just some notable titles for TV shows. Again, Tubi also does offer live channels. This is one of the newer functionalities that Tubi has added, and they are continuing to update this streaming platform. So I'm continually impressed by Tubi and the team behind Tubi and what they have to offer. It's really impressive, guys. So that's the final free movie application that I wanted to show you in this video. So that's it, guys. Again, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. Appreciate you all watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video. Leave me a comment below if there are any free movie apps that you guys are using that I missed in this video for 2024. And guys, I hope you all have a great day.